Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the scatter slots game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the scatter slots game on your device and you will be asked to continue spinning if you're playing the game for the first time. Once you complete your first 30 spins, you will be able to see the gear icon at the top right corner within the spin section. When you tap on this, you will be taken into the settings page from which you will see the sound as well as the music option. Just tap on these buttons and this will set the sound as well as music to off. You can then go back to enjoying your game and you will notice that no more sound will be playing when you play your game. If you wish to change this setting back at any time, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will once again end up in the settings menu. You can then turn on the toggle and this will once again enable the sounds within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the scatter slots game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.